Ang expectation ho namin on Monday, siyempre, probably may preliminaries po yung Senate Impeachment Court, ano? And pangalawa, the opening statements of the prosecution and the defense on the case itself. And after which, makapagsalang na ho kami ng testigo. Unang araw po ng
May testigo na. So, yung testigong ito po ay...
So that is our expectation on Monday. So,
okay.
Handa naman ho kami on Monday to open the presentation on threats, no? So, hopefully, pagka ho sinabi na magsalang na ng testigo sa Monday, magsasalang na ho kami.
Sino po pala ang magde-decide kung magsasalang ng testigo? Hindi po ba yung, kunwari, yung testigo ng prosecution, hindi po ba kayo ang magde-decide? Kung isasalang po ninyo?
The list has already been submitted. Pero syempre, we don't know how the day will actually look at that point. Kasi kung halimbawa, mahaba din yung panahon on preliminaries, hindi ba? Or yung mga certain discussions. Pwede ding mausog yun eh. So, we will see. We will do it on a day-to-day, on a week per week, yung pong presentation and pagsasalang po ng mga testigo. Anyway, we have 67 days to present each and every witness.
Okay. Kung kanina...
62 days to present each and every witness, yeah.